Good morning, dear students. As we have completed our fourth chapter, Mr. Garbage and Mrs. Polythene. So, in this video, I am going to discuss comprehension questions. Okay? So, question has already been sent to you. Now listen the answer and see also word to word. The first question is, list the items you throw in the dustbin as garbage. Now the answer is, there are so many things items that we throw in the dustbin as garbage are vegetable peels, old and torn clothes, shoes, utensils, paper and anything useless that we don't have any use. Now we have second question. What are the items generally thrown as garbage which can be reused or recycled? Answer is, there are so many things that are thrown as garbage but they can be recycled are paper, all plastic things like toys, cap, plates, etc. Now we have third question. In third question it is given, how does garbage get mixed with soil and become useful for us? Okay, so here is the answer. If garbage with soils remains for long time, it converts into manure to grow rich crop for us. Now, D part. The question is, what happens to the animals when they swallow polythene bags? And the answer is, animals die if they swallow polythene bags. Now, the E part question is, how is polythene dangerous for us? Answer is, polythene is dangerous for us because it never mixes with soil and remains in the soil for long time. In this way, we have completed the entire comprehension question and answer part. Now, there are few objective questions and also multiple choice question that I am going to start. Let me open the page. So here is the question, all question you can see here. You can take also a screenshot to write the question. Now I'm going to describe it. Other options are here already given. So now I'm going to start question number 2. You have to choose the correct option to complete the following sentence. Okay. So here is, I'm sorry. The garbage should be thrown. Options are given already. Now you choose what should be the answer. Of course, the answer is what? In dustbins. The garbage should be thrown in dustbin. The correct answer is A part. Now the second question is, garbage is made of what? So correct answer is what? Useless things. Garbage is made of useless things. Now the third question, we should not use polythene because it cannot be destroyed. The third option is correct. Now we have other pages also. Now there is other section. Here you have to fill these words, okay, given in the box. Here the first question is, I try to dash the tablet with water. So correct word is what here? Swallow. Okay. Swallow means ningalna. So I try to swallow the tablet with water. Now the second question is here. Farmers add dash to the soil. Correct answer is what? Manure. Farmers add manure to the soil. C part, the potter molded the clay into a pot. Fourth one, a heap of newspaper is lying on the table. Okay. Heap means collection, किसी चीज का इकट्ठा होना, चाहे वो बुक्स का हो चाहे वो कूड़े का हो. Okay, that is known as the heap. Now, next question is given here. You are not able to see the question. Okay. So, second question. It is the second question here. In word power? It is written here, some items are given in the box. Separate them into biodegradable, which get mixed with the soil, and non-biodegradable. Which do you get mixed with the soil? Which do not get mixed with the soil? So here a number of items are given. You have to separate them. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे आइटम्स का नाम लिखा हुआ है जिसको आपको सेपरेट करना और दो ग्रुप बनाना है. पहला ग्रुप यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर. द फर्स्ट ग्रुप इज़ व्हाट? बायोडिग्रेडेबल. तो बायोडिग्रेडेबल ग्रुप में आपको उन सभी चीज़ों को शामिल करना है जो बहुत इजीली मिट्टी में मिक्स हो जाता है. और दूसरी कैटेगरी है, यू हैव सेकंड कैटेगरी, दैट इज़ नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. इसमें क्या होता है, कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो मिट्टी में नहीं मिल पाती हैं, तो आपको उनको लिखना है. सपोज दैट हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया, एक पहला ग्रुप हमने बनाया बायोडिग्रेडेबल का, और यहाँ पे दूसरा कौन सा ग्रुप हमने बनाया? नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल का. एंड पेपर, व्हाट इज पेपर? इज बायोडिग्रेडेबल और नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. पेपर मिक्स होता है या नहीं होता है सॉइल में मिक्स हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स हम लोग किस में लिखेंगे इसे? वी विल राइट दिस पेपर इन बायोडिग्रेडेबल लिस्ट, बायोडिग्रेडेबल ग्रुप. नाउ हियर इज़ द मेटल प्लेट. मेटल प्लेट होता है या नहीं होता है? ये नहीं होता है ना, तो इसको किस में हम लोग लिखेंगे? नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वाले ग्रुप में. नाउ हियर इज़ व्हाट? वेजिटेबल पिल्स, इट इज़ ऑल्सो बायोडिग्रेडेबल. देन देयर इज़ द वुलन क्लोथ्स, इट इज़ ऑल्सो बायोडिग्रेडेबल. wooden box, it is also biodegradable. And it is other one is what? Cotton clothes, ये भी मिट्टी में मिल जाता है. और इसके अलावा जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं, जितने भी आइटम्स दिए हुए हैं, जैसे प्लास्टिक कप हो गया, पॉलीथीन हो गया, बैटरी हो गया, या और भी अदर जो भी रह गए हैं, वो सारे किस ग्रुप में आ जाएंगे? नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल ग्रुप में. ओके. वी हैव last question, that is match the following. Okay, this is the last one. So instruction is already given to you. Match the masculine gender given in column A with its feminine gender given in column B. So here is gender, you know very well. You also know that what is the feminine gender and what is the masculine gender. So in group, list of masculine gender is given, and you have to match these words with their feminine gender. So the first one is what? Tiger. So what is the feminine gender of the tiger? Tiger is the masculine, और इसका feminine gender क्या हो जाता है? तो tigress. Okay. Here is the nephew. Similarly, the feminine gender of nephew is what? Niece. And the feminine gender of peacock is what? Peahen. And the horse feminine gender is known as what? Mare. And the prince feminine gender is what? The princess. But my dear student, you don't have to do like this. You will write all the question of A part, like tiger, nephew, peacock, horse, prince. Okay, in left side. And right hand side, you have to write the correct word, the correct feminine gender, just in front of what? The masculine gender. आपको जो भी इसमें जेंडर दिया हुआ है, जैसे टाइगर है, तो टाइगर के सामने जो भी इसका करेक्ट आंसर है, उसे आपको डैश करके उसका करेक्ट आंसर लिखना है. दैट मीन्स करेक्ट फेमिनिन जेंडर लिखना है. नाउ वी हैव हियर द लास्ट लैंग्वेज प्रैक्टिस. ओके. Make question beginning with how using the following table. Table is already given here. You can do it from here. Like how wide is the road? Okay. Now here is how long is the river? How far is your home from the school? How far is the temple from here? In this way you can make a number of sentences. You have to make question beginning with how using the following tables. This all you have to do in your fair out copy. Thank you very much class. Hope you would have understood everything. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. आप लोगों को सभी को इस कॉपी पे करना है. Thank you very much, my dear student of class 7th, once again.